Hi everybody, it's Katie from Bobby Hair Studio. Today I'm going to be talking about my favorite brushes and how to use them. This is a brush set from Framar. It's actually part of their summer camp collection. Look at these! Oh my god, so good! We're going to talk about this teeny tiny brush. I use this teeny tiny brush for all of my bleach outs now. It makes my application so much faster, and you wouldn't imagine so, but you can actually get into these little corners really quickly, load on a lot of product onto the ends of the brush because of the fibers and the bristles, and you can really get good saturation and get really precise application with a smaller brush. Rather than using a large space brush when you're trying to work around these tight edges and corners around the head, little brush. Amazing. So this is a standard foiling brush, but it has a rat tail on the end of it, so you can use it for easy sectioning. You can even use it for weaving if you want to use one brush and one tool for your whole service. You can use this one, which is fantastic. It really cuts down on your timing. And the bristles allow for, again, because they are Framar bristles, they load up on the product and they can really nicely blend your colors and do really nice feathering for any of your balayage work or your hand-painted highlight work. And here's a slightly larger brush, and it also has a rat tail comb on it. I like using these for any of my root drops or my root shadows because of this large rat tail comb. You can section large pieces of the hair at a time, go right across the whole head, and use this large surface for quickly painting on a root. Amazing. Again, all of the Framar brushes are meant for speed and accuracy and easy use. That's why I love them. Here we have our standard painting brush / root color brush. Again, this is just the classic Framar brush. And here is the large version of their standard painting brush. Again, look at how big the difference is between how much space you're going to cover with one of these. This is fantastic for anybody who's doing a root coverage client. They just need to get that on super quick. Big Daddy. This is my favorite brush for a hand-painted balayage because it loads on a lot of product really quickly. There's a ton of bristles, so you can really feather in your color, and it has a softness to it. And it's not like a hard edge, so you're not going to get hard edges with this brush. This is going to give you the softest blend possible. The Color Melt brush. A lot of my stylists love using this brush, so I'm glad I got one for myself because I get to try it for the first time. Now, what a lot of them really like about it is that it's a comb on one end and a brush on the other. So this allows you to do a root melt or a shadow root or a color melt, any of those melting type services really quickly and using only one tool. You flip over one side to brush through the hair, and then you can apply the color onto the other end. These giant brushes, these are even bigger than a standard brush. And this was large in comparison to the regular brush. I like these big pop-up, Big Daddy brushes because they apply root so fast. This is also great for color melting when you have an express toner. That's a quick tutorial on how to use the Framar brushes.